Are you constantly feeling tired, struggling with brittle nails, or experiencing frequent headaches? Your body could be sending you important signals that it's not getting enough essential nutrients. Today, we're diving deep into the warning signs of nutrient deficiencies, and most importantly, how you can address them to feel your best again. Your body is constantly working to keep you healthy, but it needs the right nutrients to do its job properly. When we talk about a balanced diet, it's not just about avoiding unhealthy foods. It's also about making sure your body is getting the vitamins and minerals it needs to function optimally. Unfortunately, many of us are unknowingly walking around with nutrient deficiencies, which can lead to a range of symptoms, from fatigue to more serious health issues. Did you know that around 2 billion people worldwide suffer from nutrient deficiencies? Even if you're eating regularly, your diet may still lack key nutrients that your body desperately needs. In this video, we're going to highlight the most common signs that your body is lacking in essential nutrients and show you how to address these deficiencies through simple dietary changes and, when necessary, supplements. Let's start with one of the most common signs of a nutrient deficiency: constant fatigue. If you're getting enough sleep but still feel tired all the time, it could be due to a lack of iron or vitamin B12. These nutrients are critical for producing red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout your body. Without enough of them, you'll feel drained no matter how much rest you get. Iron deficiency, also known as anemia, affects over 25% of the world's population. It's especially common in women of childbearing age due to menstruation, but men and children can also be affected. If you notice pale skin, dizziness, or shortness of breath alongside your fatigue, it's a strong indicator of low iron levels. Vitamin B12 deficiency, on the other hand, is more common in people following vegetarian or vegan diets, as B12 is primarily found in animal products. Symptoms include tingling in the hands and feet, memory issues, and mood changes. To boost iron, focus on iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, lentils, and pumpkin seeds. To enhance absorption, pair them with foods high in vitamin C, like oranges or bell peppers. For B12, eat more meat, fish, dairy, or consider a B12 supplement, especially if you follow a plant-based diet. If you're noticing dry, flaky skin or brittle nails that break easily, your body could be lacking vitamin A or biotin, vitamin B7. Vitamin A is crucial for skin health, as it helps repair skin tissue and keeps your skin hydrated. Biotin, on the other hand, plays a significant role in the health of your nails, hair, and skin. Studies show that biotin deficiency can lead to weak nails that are prone to splitting and hair loss. Similarly, a lack of vitamin A can result in dry skin, dry eyes, and even night blindness, as this nutrient is critical for maintaining good vision. For vitamin A, focus on eating sweet potatoes, carrots, dark leafy greens, and eggs. For biotin, include more eggs, almonds, spinach, and salmon in your diet. If your deficiency is severe, you may need to consider taking a supplement after consulting with your healthcare provider. Do you often experience muscle cramps, particularly in your legs? This could be your body's way of telling you that you're lacking magnesium, calcium, or potassium. These minerals are essential for muscle function, and without enough of them, your muscles may spasm involuntarily. Magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common, affecting around 50% of people in the US, largely due to poor dietary intake. Magnesium helps your muscles relax, while calcium is necessary for muscle contraction. Potassium works alongside sodium to maintain fluid balance in your body, which also affects muscle function. Increase your intake of magnesium-rich foods, like nuts, seeds, dark chocolate, and leafy greens. For calcium, focus on dairy products, fortified plant milks, or tofu. To boost potassium, try eating more bananas, avocados, and potatoes. If muscle cramps persist, you might want to consult with a doctor to check your levels and consider a supplement. If you're someone who constantly catches colds or other infections, your immune system may be weakened due to low levels of vitamin C or zinc. Both of these nutrients play vital roles in supporting immune function and helping your body fight off pathogens. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair tissue and boost white blood cell production, which is essential for immune defense. Zinc is another crucial nutrient that aids in immune response and wound healing. Studies have shown that even mild zinc deficiency can impair immune function. To boost your vitamin C intake, eat more citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. For zinc, focus on oysters, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and nuts. These foods will help strengthen your immune system and reduce the likelihood of getting sick frequently. Noticing more hair in the shower drain than usual? Hair thinning or excessive hair loss could be a sign that your body is lacking iron, protein, or omega-3 fatty acids. All three are essential for healthy hair growth. Low iron levels reduce the amount of oxygen reaching your hair follicles, leading to hair shedding. Protein deficiency can also lead to thinning hair, as hair is primarily made up of keratin, a type of protein. Finally, omega-3s play a key role in keeping your scalp healthy and preventing hair breakage. To improve hair health, focus on iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and lean meats. Make sure you're getting enough protein by including chicken, fish, beans, and tofu in your diet. For omega-3s, eat more fatty fish like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. Do you find yourself struggling with focus or experiencing brain fog? Poor concentration and memory lapses may indicate a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, or vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for brain health, mood regulation, and cognitive function. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are critical for maintaining the structure of brain cells and improving cognitive performance. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, folate, and B12, are necessary for producing neurotransmitters that regulate mood and memory. A lack of vitamin D has also been linked to cognitive decline and depression. Increase your intake of omega-3s by eating salmon, mackerel, and flax seeds. For B vitamins, focus on whole grains, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. If you're not getting enough sun exposure, consider taking a vitamin D supplement or include more fortified dairy products and eggs in your diet. Nutrient deficiencies can affect your body in numerous ways, from physical symptoms like fatigue and hair loss to cognitive issues like poor concentration. The key is to listen to the signals your body is sending and address these deficiencies before they lead to more serious health problems. By incorporating a well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, you can ensure your body gets what it needs to thrive. Remember, if you're experiencing persistent symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare provider for proper testing and guidance on supplementation. Have you experienced any of these signs of nutrient deficiencies? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips, nutrition advice, and wellness inspiration. Take care of your body, and it'll take care of you.